Hi, I hope you are having a good day. In this tutorial I will show you Outlook macro that will automatically send mail when mail is shifted to the specific folder. You have to write the mail address one time while opening the Outlook. You can right-click and move the mail to this folder or just drag and drop to trigger the auto-mailing feature. Let's see if I received that email. Yes, I got it within few seconds. Let us see how you can add this macro to your Outlook too. Just press Alt F11, VBA editor will open up. Here in this Outlook session you just have to copy and paste the code. Here in module section just copy and paste the second code or import it by right-clicking. Save everything and close the VBA editor. You have to restart the Outlook to implement the macro.